Let's see how you can create your own agent using Arkus. After login, simply confirm the initial step and continue to the agent builder. Describe what you want to build. For example, you can say, I want to create an intake agent for a message clinic. Based on your first answer, Arkus will start guiding you through the process. It will ask questions to better understand what your agent does, how it communicates, what tools or data it uses, and how it behaves. In this example, we will connect to Google Docs to generate the summary document and the Gmail to send the email. We will skip any other guideline or further documentation. And last, we will describe what this agent should do, step by step. The more complete your answers are, the more context Arkus has to create a more powerful agent for you. Once everything is clear, Arkus will translate your description into a structured agent workflow and review the setup with you. You can approve it and proceed or make any adjustments if needed. When the plan is approved, Arkus automatically generates your agent. If any tool configuration is missing, Arkus will guide you through it directly in the chat. Otherwise, it's ready to test. Click the test button and then ask something like, "What can you do for me?" to confirm if the agent instructions are okay. After this, you can proceed and test the entire workflow. The agent will start guiding the user through the intake process, asking the questions, collecting the answers, and at the end, confirming the information. Then, it will generate the report and send it by email. This is the document created. If something in the workflow needs to be adjusted, you can simply ask in the chat. Then, test the agent again until every step works as expected. And that's it. Your agent is ready to use. You can run it directly in the Arkus platform or integrate it with external platforms using the Integrate button. From health ideas to AI agents in minutes, not months. Start today to build your AI with Arkus.